What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mari back with another bazanger. Yes, sir. As y'all see by that title, today we doing cooking with me and Dad part 2. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications on your video. Already know, ski. Yes, sir. We getting the grill started up. You feel me? A little diet, but we getting the grill started up. Y'all see we got the hot dogs and the pork chops up in there. Finna get them just cooking. Boy, finna cook it up. I'm finna cook. I don't know what he finna do, but I'm finna cook. You feel me? But right now, we're trying to get the grill. It's alright. It ain't quite so good. But you feel me? Yes, sir, ski. Look at her. Look at her. Stop playing now. You hitting it, y'all. Son. But yeah, we trying to get the grill started, and man, it's taking a little while. Y'all see it? Getting that just started, baby. We getting that just started. I think we're finna go throw some on her. Let's see. Y'all see, we just put it on them, turn the flash on. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? We put it on there. You got some red joints. Guy currently trying to open it up. He can't open it up, guys.
Do me, man. You just gonna do your hair, so. Oh no!
Oh, not the
dropped
heart.
3 dogs.
3? I thought 2. Well, I guess only 2.
It's only 2.
Yeah.
2 for me, 1 for you.
No, son. You feel me?
Yeah.
Cook. And then up in here. Hold on, yeah. Let me get it up in there. Yes, sir.
Put it in the back of the truck. We're going to the trunk.
Alright.
Gotta get these reps in.
We're gonna put this in the trunk. Put this in the trunk, man. Video. Hey, while y'all with this video, make sure y'all don't subscribe. You feel me? If you ain't subscribed at this point, what you doing? Hit that subscribe button, bro. You tripping. For real. Hit that subscribe button. Little bitch. Hit that subscribe button. We're going to crib. Alright. Back in the house, man. You know, your boy was over here and started playing with me. Okay.
Go give me a fork.
Hey, get in there.
Smoke.
Here, hold the camera and talk to them while I get that fork.
Yeah. What it do? Just got off work. Checked on my queen. Y'all see the guard in the background. It's kind of dark right now. Yeah, y'all know how I'm coming. Yeah, Hemi stripes. Yep. Hold up, let's turn around. Yeah, okay, that's better. Hemi stripes. Yeah, godly, all white. Yeah, angel eyes. What? Angel eyes. Yeah. New grill. Yeah. 6s on beam. Yeah, just in case they hating.
I need the flashlight, sir. Sir.
Yo, wait for it. Ooh. Told them. 26s, baby. You see it? Okay, yeah, big game. Yeah. Oh yeah, Decepticon game. Yeah, y'all can't see it, but light in the bottom of the truck. You know, we got the Decepticon on the seat covers. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. What that hot dog looking like? Let me see what your grill game like. Okay, turn it over some more. There you go. You gonna play with it or you gonna turn it? Okay, you don't know how to grill. All right, cool.
I do.
Yeah, it don't look like it. Just let you know.
There you go.
Yeah, let me show you something.
Sir, okay, look, I got it.
Yeah, so take it like that. Turn them jokers like that. We're gonna let them cook, okay? Yeah, facts. Let them simmer in there for a minute. I'm out here working out too, you know what I'm talking about? Big gang. Yeah.
Yep, okay, I need to
Holiday Christmas, I'll probably be looking like.
can I get the camera now, sir?
Yeah, I'll probably be looking like He-Man.
Hello, can I get the camera?
So I gotta go. So I'm on his phone.
Can I? Lord. This man up here recording the whole car, bro. I just wanted to do this whole that sale, man. Bro, this man here, bro. For real though. Hold on though. Let me see how I got a little better. Yes, sir. We getting them right. They getting there, Don't get it twisted. I ain't there yet, but they getting there. Trust me. Let me wipe my camera now. Hold on. I'm sweating like crazy right now. I just got done throwing up a little basketball. You feel me? So I got done throwing up a little basketball. Hold on. Ooh. Throwing up a little basketball. You know, give me some drink. Sir, y'all, the food getting right. We got some hot dogs on.
I want them right there. That junk supposed to be good.
No, I want them free. Please, bro. That junk too good. Look at the chops. They getting ready, y'all. Yes, sir. Hold on. Stop playing. That was just cooking slow, but it's cool. We're gonna get them right. No cap, though. This food looking good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Them pork chops, they getting right. I love pork chops, I swear. Like, when we grilling, bro, one of my favorites is pork chops, no cap. Like, for real. But yeah, though. Okay, we getting it right, y'all. Yes, sir. Y'all see them. The chops is about done, y'all. Them things getting right. Look at that one right there. That's mine right there. I ain't gonna lie. Mine right there, too. Mine right there. No, it's fine. I'm just getting right, y'all. Hold on, though. These are done. Wee! Them things look good. Bro. My dad out here cooking it up. Stop playing, bro. Tell him you cooking it up. You feel me?
I do it for you, son.
You ever cooking it up, bro?
Across the moon. Across the ditch with a bunch of snakes at the bottom. But I'll probably think about it before I do it.
Yeah, oh yeah. We getting it right. Chat. That don't look nice. I'm getting a little piece of it though, for real.
I'm going in. Oh my God.
Let me see that thing, bro. You see that? That's what you call a poach. Oh my. I swear. I'm not even boasting it, bro. These are him. But these are him. Shout out to me though for the seasoning. You already know.
Let them know what you put on them things,
you already
bro.
Know. Put the Crayola seasoning.
Crayola? I thought it was Crayola.
Hold on.
Crayola? We coloring in school, my nigga? What?
The pepper, the seasoning salt. What's that seasoning called?
Yeah.
Lemon pepper. Yeah, man. Salt. Bro,
And Crayola.
Don't play with me, bro.
Yeah. What color Crayola you put in there?
Bro, stop playing.
Yeah, color
I swear,
on the
bro.
pork chop and stuff.
That chop right there is mine. You see that right? That's mine, bro. That don't look right. That chop. Hey, look. Hey, that chop was busted. Let me stop. I can't stop. Yes, sir, y'all. You already know that vibes, man. Look at that thing. Ooh. Getting right. We got that
Take that other one out.
Which one?
That one there.
Right?
Yeah.
Got him. Yes, sir.
Flip that one. Yes, sir. Let it bust a little bit.
Yeah.
Watch these hot dogs.
There you go.
Yeah,
hot dogs.
right there. That's good right there.
Sir.
That chop ready.
Chops? Which one?
That one right there. No, the other one. Flip it. What it look like on the other side.
Ooh,
Oh, yeah. I'm ready.
Wait. That's what you call a chop. That is what you call a chop, bro.
Flip that chop. Flip it. There you go. Yes, sir.
It's breaking. That's a good thing, right?
Yep. Take your hand. There you go. Don't be scared of it. Yeah, there you go. Top. Last chop
Last
on the
chop,
top. Let's see what it do, baby.
Oh, yeah. Take that off, that. Oh, my. Now, that's what you call a pork chop. Yeah, that's already.
On the top.
That's what you call a chop.
Get it. Take it in the house.
Wee. Let's go.
Yeah.
That's how you grill, gang. Bro, this is what you, man.
Motion on your ring video.
That's what scared me. Yo, that's how you cook, man. What time is it? 8:57, y'all. We started probably like 8 o'clock on the dot type stuff. It was actually like 7:50, so yeah. Whew, bro, this how you cook. We finna, man. So we gonna see y'all later. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notice on. You already know what's going on. Let me get right. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn the post notice on. Turn the post notice on. Let's get right.